Shavua Tov u'Mevarach. We're starting a new week in Mishnah Yomi and a new chapter of Mishnayot. Nazir, chapter Gimel, chapter 3. Misha Amar Reini Nazir. Someone says, I will be a Nazir. Sounds good. And we know that Stam Nazirut, a unspecified period of Nazirut, is 30 days. We know this from a gematria. Kadosh Yehiye. Yehiye, gematria Lamed, gematria of 30. So what does he do when he's done? Megaleach Yom Shloshim Ve'echad. He takes his haircut. It's not just the haircut, it's also the offerings brought at the temple on day 31. Ve'im gilach, but if he does his haircut, meaning the whole concluding ritual, Yom Shloshim, on day 30, Yatza. It does work. His Nazirut has been legally concluded. We have a concept, Miktzat Hayom Kekulo. Part of the day counts under certain circumstances as the whole day. What if he says, Hareini Nazir Shloshim Yom? I will be a Nazir for 30 days. Now, this is no longer a Stam Nazirut. He specified 30 days, so we're going to hold him to 30 full days. So now, Im Gilach Yom Shloshim, if he took his conclusion, his haircut on day 30, Lo Yatza. That does not work. He really has to wait till day 31, so he has 30 complete days under his belt, like he vowed. Now, Mishnah Bet explores this concept a little further. Misha Nazar Shtei Naziriot. Someone took a vow of 2 terms of Nazirut back to back. So Migaleach et Rishona, he takes the conclusion of the first period, Yom Shloshim Ve'echad, ideally on day 31, Betashniya Yom Shishim Ve'echad, and the second period of Nazirut will be on day 61 from his vowing. V'imgilach et Rishona Yom Shloshim, but if he took his haircut, his conclusion of the first period on day 30, then megaleach et shniya yom shishim. He could take the haircut for the second period on day 60. Now the Mishnah adds something really amazing. V'imgilach yom shishim haser echad. And if he took the conclusion haircut for the second period on day 60 minus 1, with which the math geniuses will point out it's 59. Day 59, yatza. That does work. Now Mishnah is about to explain and cite a source for this. Vizu, and this, Eidut Hayid Rav Papias. This was a testimony that Rav Papias had. He testified to this Masorah, to the validity of this halachic concept. Al Misha Nazar Shtei Nazirot, someone who made a vow of 2 back-to-back periods of Nazirot. Im Gilach at the Rishona Shloshim, if he takes his haircuts, his conclusion of the first period on day 30, Megalech L'Shniya Yom Shishim. He can take the haircut for the second one on day 60. Ve'im gilach liyom shishim haser echad, but if he takes the conclusion of the second on day 59, yotza. That does work. Ideally day 60, but it would work on day 59 also. Sheyom shloshim ola lo min a minyan, because day 30 counts for him towards the count of the second period of Nazirut. So that magic day 30 is not only the last day of the first Nazirut, it's also the first day of the last Nazirut. Again, this is an application of the halachic principle of Miktzat Hayom Kekulu. Part of the day can count as a full day. Yashar Kochachem, have a great week.